In a multi-level marketing business, you reach a point where you've hit all of your warm market. It's everybody you know. It's your friends, your family, your friends on Facebook. Everybody you know knows that you are doing this specific thing. One thing that was always missing for me was I would hit that wall where you've sold all your friends and family and then your sales aren't as high, but you're gonna now teach a team to do what you just did. And they hit that wall eventually too. We don't go knock door to door anymore. That was in the old days. Now what do we do? Life is about making an impact, not making an income. The fact that we're building a team, and these team members, when they reach their goals and they come to us and they are excited, that to me is 10 times more exciting than anything that I could ever accomplish. So I am Mandy. I am the twin that has grown up everything beauty from day one. I've always been the makeup gal. This is Mindy, and I've just been lucky to have a twin sister identical to me to tell me what color to dye my hair, how to shape my brows. When I found mascara had me at hello. It's easy to use, high quality makeup, and it's affordable. I immediately jumped in. I of course called Mindy and was like, hey, listen, I came up with this opportunity. Now we get to work together every single day. She's the stay-at-home mom. I'm more the career-driven mom, but it really is for everybody because of, you know, her story, my story. It really works for any woman. This is my third MLM, but I'm so grateful for ClickFunnels, and I wish I would have had it 10 years ago because there is no wall anymore, and the world is so big. There are so many people out there that need to hear what you have to say, and because of the funnel, it is bringing those pre-qualified leads straight to you. ClickFunnels does a really good job about creating this funnel that looks intriguing. When people come to our funnel, they know about us, and then at the bottom it says, give us your contact information, and that's what it's all about. That is how sales has become. Nobody likes to be sold to anymore. Our main goal is for them to fall in love with us before they even know that we sell makeup, that we have a YouTube channel, that we have all these things. It's building that relationship, and then it's like, oh, actually we sell mascara. We also have our YouTube channel. We also have this, this, this. And they already love us before they find out what we're even selling. And so it creates a qualified lead, and the success rate is really, really high from lead to signups. It's the highest it's ever been, ever, in anything I've ever done. People are coming to us now versus us going to them. It's really cool. ClickFunnels has really changed our world.